Hello friends, my name is Adil and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see about access modifier in Java. We are going to see what is access modifier, different types of access modifier and how we can use it. First let's see what is a Java package. Now Java package is used to group the similar classes, interface and sub packages. Sub package is a package inside the package. Now let's take an example. A bank has different bank accounts. For example, savings accounts, fixed deposit accounts, and current account. Now, when we create a bank software for a bank, we create a package called bank accounts. In this bank accounts, we keep the classes of current bank account, uh, fixed deposit account, and the different bank accounts in this bank account package. So, whenever we want to see anything about the bank accounts, we directly can access from this package. So, due to this package, we can keep the classes in an organized manner. Now, there are two types of Java packages: built-in packages, which are created by the Java itself, which are predefined, and user-defined packages, which means now we have created a bank account package, so this is an user-defined package. The access modifier in Java is used to define the accessibility of a variable, or we can say field, method, constructor, or a class. A method, constructor, class, or a variable from where it can be accessed is defined using access modifier. There are four types of access modifier in Java. First one is public, private, default, and protected. Now we will see these four access modifier one. Now first access modifier is public access modifier. Now the public access, if a class, method, or constructor or a field is given a public keyword, then it can be accessed from anywhere. Now here you can see that there is a public class, and inside that we have a public method speed. Now this public method can be accessed from an another class, another package, or from the different package. This public car can also be accessed from anywhere. Now let's take an example of an different class engine. From this engine class, you can access this public car class, and you can access this public void speed method also. So when you define a public keyword before a method, class, or a variable or a constructor, it can be accessed from anywhere. The second access modifier is private access modifier. The private access modifier is only accessible within the class. You cannot access the private methods or private methods or variables from outside the class. So a class cannot be private, and a constructor also cannot be private, because if a constructor is private, we cannot instantiate an object. So let's take an example here. Here there is a public class car in which a method is private and the other method is not private, public method. So when we access this private method through this public method, it is accessible because these both methods are in the same class. Whereas if we access this speed private method from the other class, known as new car, it cannot be accessed. It will give an error. So when we use an private access modifier, that is only accessible within the class and not accessible outside the class. This is outside the class. The third access modifier is default. If you don't specify anything, then default is allocated. The default access modifier is accessible within the class, outside the class, but within the same package, and not accessible outside the package. For example, we have a registration package in which we have two classes, registration and save data. In registration class, we have a default method register. Now save data can access this registered method because these both are in the same package. Now let's see, we have a different package called complaint in which there is a class registration details. Now these registration details cannot access this register method because these both are different packages. Last access modifier is protected access modifier. This modifier can be used in same package. If you want to use this modifier in different package, if you want to use a protected method in different package, then you need to know about the inheritance. Inheritance is an OOPS concept we will see in the further videos. So when the subclasses are inherited, uh, then that can use the protected method. In this video, we have seen about the theory of access modifier. If you have any doubt, uh, please mention it in the chat section. And if you really think that this video was useful, then like, share, and subscribe our channel.